Look at how cool this is. Okay, so I feel like not that many people really know about this helmet, but it is, I love it. This is the 1K with MIPS, color change system, and click and go sunglasses. Okay, so here shows fall impact damage without MIPS and with MIPS, and with it being able to rotate, it's able to absorb more shock. So basically, the outer shell can move separately from the inner shell. Now, I love the safety features on it, but it also has some really cool aesthetic features. Now, the color change system has 3 removable pieces, being these rails, this big piece, and the front piece. These come in a bunch of different colors. Another cool thing is here, it has a place to clip in sunglasses that they are designed to sit on your visor. I didn't get these, but this is what it would look like. And an example on a rider. So yeah, I just think this is a really cool helmet that more people need to know about.